question. Why do we need to, why does our buddhi need to be powerful when you are falling asleep?
What I feel is, see, like how Swamiji has told in many of his satsangs, when you fall asleep, like just the moment before you fall asleep is when your consciousness is actually alive. So when you're about to fall asleep, if you're in completion, when you wake up the next day morning, you'll again be in the space of completion. But if you're in the space of powerfulness, or if you have any incompletion, the next day also you'll have you'll carry the same agitation when you wake up. So when you have the agitation when you wake up, your whole day will get spoiled because you're waking up with a powerlessness. So you'll be in the same space of powerlessness. So when you fall asleep by having your buddhi in the space of powerfulness, when you sleep off in the same space, you'll wake up in the same space of powerfulness, and you'll have the whole day in the space of powerfulness. So that's why I feel you should have it in a powerful space just before you go to sleep.
What he meant by saying consciousness is alive is like anything you do before going to bed will directly enter into your bio-memory. So if you're in a space of powerlessness, that's the same space will enter into bio-memory. That's why Swamiji has instructed us, before going to bed, please do completion and then go to bed, so that the completion becomes part of your bio-memory. So before going to sleep, when you do completion and go to your bed, the completion will become part of bio-memory.
If you don't be listening, how it will destroy your life.
What I feel is, when you're not in listening, actually you're not listening to what life is trying to tell you. Each moment when life is trying to tell you something, you don't even listen to life, and because of that, when you stop listening to life, you stop seeking, and because of that, you stop, you move away more from the master, because you take the master for granted, and because of that, your whole life gets destroyed. So what I feel is listening the root of all completion.
What I feel is, when you don't listen, you're just basically living dead, because you're not accepting anything which life is telling you. You're just on your own without even flowing with life, and you're deciding completely against life. So it'll just lead you to more and more incompletion and powerlessness.
I'm in Varanasi. Varanasi is just a physical manifestation of Hinduism. It is not just Mahadeva. All gods. It is city of gods. Feels like Sadashiva. I welcome every one of you. Please come as early as possible. It is time you come and experience Varanasi, the Maheshwara, Sadashiva. This is the place where you can experience the love current of Mahadeva. This is the place where life started. This is the place where science of living started. This is the place where science of enlightenment is shared first time on the planet Earth. This city is older than history itself, older than legends itself. Mahadeva settled here. This place is never forsaken. Avimukta Kshetra. Experience the science of enlightenment from the source. Get ready for a spiritual blast.